What are some areas that there's a lot of misconceptions or confusion over? You mentioned one about imaging, right? And I think I've used that term myself, but
Sure.
what are some common, misconceptions or confusion around this technology on how it works, where use cases, take it anywhere you want to.
Sure. Well, really, the two things that we just talked about probably are the two that get confused a lot: the autopilot imaging. I'm fine with the word imaging as long as we all know that we're not imaging the machine. We're not taking a sector copy of a hard drive and replacing it onto a new machine. We're just telling the machine how to configure itself. And Microsoft has spent a lot of time getting Windows ready to do that very thing. So the autopilot, differentiating what that is and what it is not, is the first thing, the first area of confusion. And then the other one is for mobile devices and this whole mobile application management, which works with something called application protection policies in Intune, and everything's got a fantastic acronym. That one's acronym is APP. Believe it or not. So, and the fact that that has no control over the device itself. We cannot modify the device at all. We can't change settings on the device. All we're doing is protecting our company data on the device. That's a bit tough to set up because it's actually a combination of these application protection policies and us telling them exactly what to do. For instance, I can tell a device, any OneDrive information from the company, from that company location, that's not allowed to be copied and pasted or sent on the phone to a personal OneDrive. We don't allow that. Right? And then we can also wipe it anytime we want. The second you say wipe, everyone thinks, well, I can't have, my users aren't going to accept that.
Right.
I can't have their devices being wiped. That's a no-go on that. And so it becomes a little bit difficult, and you have to actually lead with that. Lead with what it is not. This is not control over the phone. It cannot wipe the phone. We're just removing our company data no matter what. Even if you have two accounts, let's say an Outlook on the phone, a personal and a business one, I'm only going to wipe that business information from that phone if I issue a wipe request.
Okay.
So those two are confused quite a bit.